Hey, welcome to our journey in faith. We're glad you're here today. Just wanted to show you what we got going on here. We've been installing this FRP that I've been telling you about, coming back and putting in our receptacles. We've just been using liquid nails. I know there's a high dollar glue that they sell, but we haven't ever had any problems with this FRP. So you got your corner piece of trim, and then you glue this down, of course, and then this is where you can join two pieces together. So you're just going to slide it back here and put it on. Bring that glue out. You can put it on your FRP, or you can put it on your sheetrock here, your liquid nails. I guess it's personal preference. I've tried it both ways. But once you get this where you want it slid in, then you're going to take your trim nailer and this is what's going to hold this up against here. And lock this in. And you just do this all the way up. So you got, I'll finish that, but so you got corner pieces, you have end pieces, you have transition where you slide two in together, you got outside corners. But it's not, it's kind of frustrating because the panels are so wobbly, and then when you're trying to stick them up here and slide them in here, it can be a headache sometimes, but it's not that hard. So anyway, it looks good, and I hope Pastor and the church is happy with it. It looks really nice. So anyway, till we see you again, keep looking up, and Maranatha.